Installing a bow window is one of the most impactful upgrades a homeowner can make. With its graceful curve and expansive glass panels, a bow window brings in natural light, enhances curb appeal, and creates a beautiful interior focal point. However, in Houston's unique climate, proper installation is critical. Even small mistakes can lead to costly repairs, reduced energy efficiency, and long-term structural problems. If you're considering bow window installation in Houston, here are the most common mistakes to avoid, and how to ensure your investment delivers lasting beauty and performance. Ignoring Houston's climate challenges. Houston's weather is no joke. From intense heat and humidity to heavy rains and hurricane season storms, your bow window must withstand extreme conditions. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is choosing a window that isn't designed for this environment. Low-quality materials can warp in the heat, allow moisture intrusion, or fail during strong winds. Always choose energy-efficient, impact-rated windows that are built specifically for Gulf Coast conditions. Proper insulation and weather sealing are essential to prevent air leaks and water damage. Choosing the wrong window size or design. A bow window should complement your home's architecture, not overwhelm it. Some homeowners focus only on aesthetics and choose a window style or size that doesn't fit the existing structure. Because bow windows extend outward, they require adequate exterior space and structural support. Failing to account for roof overhangs, walkways, or landscaping can create installation complications. Inside the home, you'll also want to ensure the window enhances the room's layout rather than interfering with furniture placement or traffic flow. A professional assessment before ordering your window can prevent costly resizing or structural adjustments later. Overlooking structural support requirements. Like flat windows, bow windows project outward from the home. This design requires proper bracing and support cables to distribute weight safely. One of the most serious installation mistakes is failing to reinforce the opening adequately. Without proper structural support, you may notice sagging over time, cracks around the frame, or difficulty opening and closing the windows. In Houston's humid environment, structural weaknesses can worsen quickly as materials expand and contract. An experienced installer will evaluate the wall structure and ensure proper load-bearing support before installation begins. Poor flashing and waterproofing. Houston receives significant rainfall throughout the year, making waterproofing absolutely critical. Improper flashing is one of the most common causes of window failure. If flashing isn't installed correctly around the frame, water can seep behind the window and into the walls. Over time, this can lead to mold growth, wood rot, and interior drywall damage, issues that are expensive and disruptive to repair. High-quality sealants, moisture barriers, and precise flashing installation are essential to protect your home from water intrusion. Failing to prioritize energy efficiency. With Houston's long, hot summers, energy efficiency should be a top priority. Large glass surfaces can either help or hurt your home's cooling costs, depending on the window quality. Single-pane glass or poorly insulated frames allow heat to enter your home, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Instead, choose double or triple pane glass with low emissivity, low-E coatings designed for warm climates. Proper installation also ensures there are no gaps where cool air can escape. An energy-efficient bow window not only enhances comfort but can significantly reduce monthly energy bills. Hiring inexperienced installers. Even the highest quality window will fail if it's installed incorrectly. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is choosing a contractor based solely on price. Bow window installation is more complex than standard window replacement. It requires precise measurements, structural modifications, sealing expertise, and careful finishing work. Inexperienced installers may rush the job or overlook critical steps, leading to drafts, leaks, or alignment issues. Always work with a licensed, insured professional who has experience installing bow windows in Houston homes. Skipping permits and code compliance. Houston has building codes designed to ensure safety, particularly regarding wind resistance and structural integrity. Skipping required permits or ignoring local regulations can create problems when selling your home, or worse, result in unsafe construction. A reputable contractor will handle the permitting process and ensure your installation meets all local requirements. A bow window can transform your home with added light, space, and elegance. By avoiding these common installation mistakes and working with experienced professionals, you can enjoy the beauty and performance of your new bow window for decades, no matter what Houston's weather brings.